Welcome to our step-by-step guide to affiliate marketing. In this video, we will explain what affiliate marketing is and provide you with a comprehensive roadmap to kickstart your affiliate marketing journey. So, let's get started. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy that allows individuals or businesses to earn a commission by promoting other people's products or services. It's an excellent way to monetize your online presence and generate passive income. Here are the steps to become a successful affiliate marketer. Step 1. Choose your niche. Selecting a niche you are passionate about is crucial as it will determine the products or services you promote. Identify your interests, hobbies, or areas of expertise. Find a niche that has a healthy demand and good potential for profitability. Step 2. Research affiliate programs. Once you've chosen your niche, look for reputable affiliate programs that align with your chosen niche. Conduct thorough research to find programs with high-quality products, fair commissions, and good track records. Popular affiliate networks like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASale are great places to start. Step 3. Build your online presence. Establishing a strong online presence is essential for successful affiliate marketing. Create a website or blog where you can promote your chosen products or services. Publish high-quality content that offers value to your target audience. Utilize social media platforms to reach a wider audience and engage with potential customers. Step 4. Generate traffic. Traffic is the lifeblood of any successful affiliate marketing campaign. Use various techniques to drive targeted traffic to your website or blog. This can include search engine optimization, SEO, social media marketing, content marketing, paid advertising, and email marketing. Focus on attracting visitors who are likely to convert into customers. Step 5. Promote affiliate products. Once you have a steady flow of traffic, it's time to promote your affiliate products or services. Write persuasive product reviews, create engaging video content, or offer exclusive deals and discounts. Always ensure that your promotions are honest, transparent, and add genuine value to your audience. Step 6. Track and optimize. Monitoring your affiliate marketing efforts is crucial to gauge your success and make improvements. Utilize tracking tools and analytics to measure your affiliate sales, conversion rates, and other key performance indicators. Identify what works and what doesn't, and optimize your strategies accordingly for better results. Step 7. Build relationships. Affiliate marketing is not just about promoting products, it's about building relationships with your audience, fellow marketers, and product owners. Engage with your audience through comments, social media interactions, and email newsletters. Reach out to other influencers or bloggers in your niche for potential collaborations or guest posting opportunities. And there you have it, the step-by-step guide to affiliate marketing. Remember, success in affiliate marketing takes time, effort, and dedication. Be patient, continuously learn and adapt, and always focus on providing value to your audience. So, are you ready to embark on your affiliate marketing journey? Thank you for watching, and good luck with your affiliate marketing endeavors.